one here.
That's it. I got it now, Brian.
One there. Come on. And that one. Do you want that one? Come on up onto the dinner table. No, you're not going to go up there? Yeah then.
She says, it's not me gran. She says it must be Shirley. It must be Shirley.
Somebody. Yeah.
Nah, what's he after there, look? Why you bug? I've never seen that before. Like they got it on video, do they?
Well,
Come on.
you hadn't.
Yeah. Are you coming? Some more grub? Do you want some more grub?
He's taking everything in and all. Look, turn it off, too.
Yeah. Up here. Do you want it? Yeah. No, that's a fag end, man. You don't want that. Here. Here. Yeah. Are you coming? Yeah. What you call him?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Flacky the crow.
Flacky the crow. Yeah. Oh, he's picking all
Just call him
the
tame
scrag
bird.
ends on. Come on then, if
It's
you're
tame
coming.
bird, isn't it?
I'm away now then. Oh, he's getting a treat. His top beak's a bit, here, you coming up here? Huh?
Yeah, Brian. Let's see.
He's eating that.
And a bit of that.
Aye.
Just take that big and have it.
Yeah, you want some of this?
Whatever it does, I'll come back to it. Have you eaten it?
You got the packet, here. Come on. You coming up? Now then. Yeah. 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 Percy. We'll call you Percy the pigeon. Yeah.
Look at that. I got it.
Uh,
And there's his email. Put it on Facebook. I'm putting it on YouTube. Give him plenty, then he's not fed up. He's just a young and like Brian, isn't he?
Oh yeah, you coming up?
Look at that. He's like
Come on.
tame, isn't he? Like a fish.
Yeah.
He's a bunny though. He's got a shiny coat and all
he
that.
has, hasn't he?
And you hear him cracking the
Cracking
things.
high. Give him some more. I wonder if he would come to me. It's a long shot, like, isn't it?
Yeah, I think he would. Anybody would tell you the truth.
No, he just
Huh?
likes you, Brian. Nah, he
Are
doesn't
you
want.
frightened?
Yeah. You're not like me, son.
Are you frightened? Yeah.
Yeah. Don't get my head in, mind you.
The
He doesn't want
social
you.
will be on, yeah.
He doesn't want you. Nah, he doesn't want me.
Yeah, he's took a liking to you,
Look
Brian.
at that, Brian. It's funny. You get that of it. Nah, he doesn't want it off me. He'll have it off you, though. Funny, isn't it?
You'll be calling me the bird man of EBCHESTER.
He's just a young hearty,
Uh-huh.
Bird man of EBCHESTER, yeah. Do you want any? Go on then.
Get close in and crack him there. Can you hear him?
Go on then. I'm going for a cup of tea.
Come in here and say what he does, Brian. I'll put the kettle on.
I'm going for a cup of tea.
I don't mind if he comes in, just he gets frightened if he comes in the house. Like.
Well, either way.
No.
He's off.